guys. Today I am turning meh into wow, and I am super excited to show you the transformation of my daughter's college bedroom using thrift store treasures and a bit of DIY magic. If you've ever looked at your space and thought, this could use a little something, then stick around because I'm about to make that something happen. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Toni. I am your thrifty real estate and interior design gal. I live life full-time in my RV, traveling all across America to show you all of the things to help make your next chapter as a single human or a new empty nester absolutely epic. So if this sounds like your jam, definitely smash that subscribe button below and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And if you are interested in a one-on-one design consultation with myself, then send me an email or a text and let's chat. All my contact information is in the description box below. But for now, I am ready to take my daughter's college bedroom from drab to absolutely fab. Are you ready to see the results? Let's get to it. First, I need to talk about what we're working with here. This room was basically a blank canvas, plain walls, dated furniture, and not a whole lot going on in the decor department. But isn't that really how most, if not all, college dorms and apartments start? And isn't that where the fun begins? I went through my normal design creative process from brainstorming and creating a mood board to thrifting pieces that I could upcycle because overall, I wanted the room to be comfortable, homey, and totally her. It also needs to be easily removable because, let's face it, it's only temporary. And it definitely needs to be inexpensive because, again, it's only temporary. I set my budget at $500, which meant that I couldn't buy all new decor, which is actually okay with me because I love a good thrift shopping day or days, depending on what I find the first trip. Plus, I'm a creative at heart and a green designer by trade. So any chance I have to save something with good bones, I will definitely take it. I can see potential in thrift store finds, and I know that with a little creativity, they can definitely become the stars of any room. Thrift shop finds are like hidden gems just waiting to be discovered. They come with a unique charm and a story that mass-produced items just can't match. Each piece has a history and a little bit of mystery and tons of character, whether it's a vintage chair with a patina that tells tales of a different era or a quirky lamp that adds personality to a space. These treasures bring a sense of originality to your home. Plus, there's the thrill of the hunt. Finding that perfect piece is kind of like winning a mini lottery. You never know what you're going to stumble upon, but when you do, it feels like fate. And let's not forget the sustainability factor. By giving these items a second life, you're not just decorating your home, you're also making an eco-friendly choice. But there's really so much more to thrift shop finds. Upcycling. Upcycling thrift store finds is the ultimate way to create something truly unique, sustainable, and budget-friendly. Not only are you giving old items a fresh start, but you're also flexing your creative muscles and adding a personal touch that mass-produced decor just can't match. It's about turning the ordinary into the extraordinary while also making eco-friendly choices that feel as good as they look. So basically, in a world full of cookie-cutter decor, thrift shop finds stand out as a way to create a space that's truly one of a kind, with pieces that have their own soul, their own story, and your personal touch. Like the whipped cream on a pumpkin spice latte. I did buy some new things like the sheets, the comforter, the rug, and the curtains, but all of those things came from Ross. Sometimes I buy those things from Marshalls and sometimes it's Max, but in my opinion, Ross has really upped their game lately. And the 7x10 shag rug we found at Ross was only $100 compared to like the rugs at Target that are the same size and not so pretty, which cost twice that amount typically. Yes, you do have to get lucky sometimes at the Ross, but if you plan ahead and maybe visit more than one, you will most definitely find exactly what you're looking for. Anyway, without further and probably unnecessary random chit chat, here's the same room, just upcycled. It's a totally different vibe. Look at how these thrift store pieces have been transformed from forgotten finds into focal points. A fresh coat of paint, some creative touches, and these once overlooked items are now giving this room a whole new personality. Plus, the curtains. They came in a pack of 4 for only $15. I needed 2 panels for the window, and I had 2 left over. So I used the other 2 panels for the bed. For some reason, the beds in these joints are super high, which leaves plenty of storage space, but that definitely needs to be hidden. And typical bed skirts are short and would look totally weird on such a tall bed. Plus, they're very plain. But the curtains, on the other hand, fit perfectly and look amazing. Next year, also note to self, I need to make the artwork bigger. I love the comfort factor of the bed, the blanket that hides the super ugly desk chair, and the glow from the wrapped lampshade. Plus, the little makeup stand sitting next to the mirror she sits in front of to get ready for her secret college nights out that I don't ask about, nor do I really want to know anything about. The shimmer and the shine the room gives off is so her. In fact, surprisingly, she actually has been making her bed every morning before leaving for class, and her roommates seem to want to hang out in her room more than their own. Maybe college gals are not as sweatpants and sweatshirts as they like to portray that they are. Anyway, the best part about all of this transformation did not break the bank. By upcycling what I found at the thrift shops and adding my own DIY art, plus shopping at Ross for the deals, I was able to create a space that's not only unique, but also totally her. It really just goes to show that you don't need a huge budget to create a room that feels like home. You basically just need a little vision and a lot of heart. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you're feeling inspired to tackle your own DIY projects or upcycling projects. And if you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative ideas. But until next time, happy thrifting and happy decorating.